Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. Have you ever listened to a song and suddenly felt happy, or maybe felt tears in your eyes? That is the power of music. Music is not only sound. Music is a feeling. Music is something very special. It can touch your heart. It can speak to your soul. When we are sad, music can help us feel better. When we are happy, music can make us feel even more alive. When we feel tired, music can give us energy. Music is always with us. We hear music in the morning, in the evening, in shops, in movies, on the radio, on our phones. Music is everywhere. But do we stop and think about what music really does for us? Let us explore how music helps our mood and why it is so important in our lives. When we're sad, the world feels heavy. We feel alone. But when we play a soft, slow song, something inside us feels heard. The music understands us. The soft piano, the quiet voice, the gentle sound, they all tell us, it is okay. You are not alone. Music can be like a friend when no one else is near. Sometimes we cry when we listen to a song. That is good. It means the music is helping us let go. It helps us feel our pain. It helps us heal. Other times, we feel stress. We feel our heart beating fast. We cannot sleep. We think too much. But soft music with slow beats and calm sounds can help us relax. It can help us breathe. It can help us close our eyes and feel peace. Music is like a hug for your mind. It says, breathe, rest. You are safe now. When we wake up and feel slow or lazy, happy music can give us energy. Fast songs with strong beats can make us want to move. We start dancing. We smile. We feel good. Music can wake up our body. It can help us start the day with joy. That is why many people play music in the morning. It changes the mood of the day. It gives a fresh start. When we are at work or at school, we often feel tired or bored. Music can help us feel better. Some people listen to music while studying. It helps them focus. Some listen while working. It helps them feel happy and calm. But the type of music is important. Calm music is better for focus. Loud music is better for energy. So we can choose the music that fits the moment. Music is also great when we feel alone. Sometimes we are far from family or friends. Sometimes we just feel a little empty. But when we listen to a song that we love, we feel a connection. Maybe it is the singer's voice. Maybe it is the words. Maybe it is the memory that comes with the song. But we do not feel alone anymore. Music is with us. It talks to us. It gives us company. Music is also strong during big feelings. When we fall in love, we play love songs. When we lose someone, we play sad songs. When we celebrate, we play party songs. Music helps us feel all the feelings. It is like a bridge between our heart and the world. We do not always have the right words, but music can speak for us. It can say, I love you. It can say, I miss you. It can say, I am strong. It can say, I am broken. And it can also say, I will be okay. Music has no limits. It is for everyone, old or young, rich or poor. No matter the country, no matter the language, music brings us together. Two people from different places can listen to the same song and feel the same feeling. Music is a universal language. It is a language of the heart. In hard times, music gives us hope. In lonely times, music gives us company. In good times, music makes joy even bigger. Music walks with us every day. It holds our hand. It lifts us up. It stays in our memory. Some songs remind us of special moments, our first dance, a birthday, a goodbye. Songs are part of our life story. They stay in our heart forever. Even when people forget words, they remember songs. That is the magic of music. For people who feel fear or pain inside, music can be healing. A song can be like a soft voice that says, "You are not broken. You are human." Some people who feel depressed say that music helped them feel light again. Some who have lost hope say that a song helped them stand up. That is why music is more than just art. It is medicine for the soul. Sometimes we feel like we cannot say how we feel. Maybe we do not know the right words. But when we hear a song that says it for us, we feel seen. We feel understood. We say, "Yes, this is how I feel." That is why music is so powerful. It helps us know ourselves. It helps us express ourselves. It helps us grow. Some people make music to share their story. Some play instruments. Some sing. Some write songs. When we create music, we open our heart. We give something of ourselves to the world. And when we listen to music, we receive that gift. It becomes part of us. Music also helps us connect with others. Singing with the group, dancing with friends, playing in a band. These are ways we feel joy together. Music builds bonds. It makes us smile. It makes us laugh. It makes us move. It brings us close. It is a shared joy. Music can also teach us patience. When we learn to play a song, we go slow. We try again and again. We learn focus. We learn practice. We learn that beauty takes time. This also helps our mind grow stronger. Music can build confidence. When you learn to sing a new song or play an instrument, you feel proud. You feel brave. You believe in yourself. That feeling can move into other parts of life too. Music can help people with memory loss. Some older people forget names, but they still remember songs from their youth. The music brings back their smile. It brings back feelings. It wakes up a part of their heart. That is why music is used in therapy. It helps people remember. It helps people feel. It helps people heal. Music helps children learn. Songs can teach numbers, words, and stories. Children enjoy learning when it comes with music. Their brains remember better with rhythm. Music makes learning fun. For babies, soft music can help them sleep. For children, happy songs can make them dance. Music is good for all ages. When we feel angry, music can help us calm down. When we feel scared, music can help us feel safe. When we feel weak, music can help us feel strong. Music changes our mood. It changes our heart. It changes our day. And over time, it can change our life. That is the power of music. And that is why music is so important. So next time you feel happy, or sad, or tired, or afraid, listen to a song. Let the music be your friend. Let the music be your voice. Let the music help you heal. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped you feel the beauty of music in a new way. Keep music close to your heart. It will always be there for you.